Thank you very much, Shoto. My name is Daikichi Seki. I'm a third grade year student. And here, I'd like to briefly explain about the group discussion after the short break. First, this is the figure from the recent Shin-san's great work, Shin et al. 2018. So, in the discussion session, we'd like to talk about the relationship between the targets of SDG 1 and some other targets. And actually, the actual procedure of the discussion proposed by Shin et al. 2018 is composed of three-step discussion process. But in this time, because of the time limitation, we like to focus only on the first step of the discussion procedure. So the first step is, the question is only this. How does it affect target B to achieve A? It means that first we select one of the targets from SDG 1, and if the target should be achieved, how much does it affect to probability of achieving a target B? The co-benefit means if the achieving a target A will raise the probability of achieving a target B, it's co-benefit. The relationship is co-benefit. If achieving a target A will reduce the probability of the other target, it is trade-off. If none of them, the relationship is neutral. And in this discussion section, we have 3 tables, and each table has a different discussion topic of SDGs. In table 1, group 1, facilitator is me, and we'd like to talk about the relationship between SDG 1 and SDG 6 or 10 or 16, clean water, inequality, or peace. And in table 2, Maeda-san, she's standing here. She is the facilitator of table 2, and the discussion topics are health, education, and gender equality. In the last table, table 3, the facilitator is him, Kuroki-san, and the topics are affordable clean energy, sustainable cities, and climate action. So from me, that's all. Thank you very much.